This defense attorney was the most professional, on-point, precise defense lawyer I have ever encountered in my entire career. Find out why he was able to generate the utmost respect from me during pretrial testimony. You want to learn more? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. So here's the scenario. Now, this woman is being treated by a gynecologist. She undergoes surgery. And during the course of surgery, the gynecologist perforates the bowel and doesn't realize it. And as a result of the perforation, now the bowel contents come out. She becomes massively ill, infected, septic, and dies the next day. And now the defense attorney has an opportunity to question my client's son, the adult son who's now brought a lawsuit against the gynecologist for wrongful death for his mother. So now, during the pretrial testimony, the question and answer session, the defense attorney comes in with no notes whatsoever. And yet he was 100% fully familiar with every single detail in the entire case. And from the moment he started questioning my client, it was clearly evident to me that not only was he prepared, but he knew exactly what questions to ask, how to ask them, and exactly what he was looking for. And I have to tell you, during the time that defense lawyers ask my client questions during these depositions, which are question and answer sessions given under oath in the attorney's office, the majority of them don't know what they're doing. Many of them are not trial attorneys. Instead, they're associates who come into the deposition with a stack of typewritten questions that they're basically reading off of and looking to check off those questions. But not this lawyer. You want to know why? This lawyer had been in practice for more than 30 years. He was an experienced and seasoned trial lawyer. He knew exactly what information he needed to obtain for my client in order to defend his client. And that was remarkable. So this deposition, which normally would have taken probably an entire day, 6, 7, 8 hours, now was condensed literally into no more than 2 hours. And I have to give this attorney the tremendous amount of respect he deserves. Why? Because he knew exactly what he wanted. He laser focused in on the exact issues that he needed to get to. And all the other matter was extraneous. And that's something that only comes with experience as a trial attorney, because you quickly realize that so many of the questions that are asked by these young associates is because they don't know what information is needed at trial by the trial attorney. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you a sense of what goes on during the discovery process, especially during the question and answer session process that occurs when you bring a lawsuit. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.